Hey everyone and welcome to the channel, it's Ben, and as you can see we have excitingly got our hands on a pair of the new AirPods Max, possibly the most spoke about pair of headphones currently on the internet in the world, and we have our hands on a pair. As you can see here, we have got the white aluminium pair. Now this is something that I've not really seen that much with the tech reviewers so far. A lot of them have either gone for space grey or they have been able to get kind of different colours, and I thought I'd go for the white as it was a bit more AirPod style, kind of old school, and I really wanted to test these out with my Apple devices, so my iPhone, to see what they're like on iPad, and with Mac, which is how my workflow typically consists of. Now, with the box, typically this is Apple. They are the best in the business. So do we need a knife to open this up? Nope, no we don't. So it is just a pull tab here at the top. Now, this is embarrassing. I had no idea what I was doing here. I don't know why. I had a complete moment of lapse of just any sort of knowledge of unboxing loads of Apple products this year, but eventually we got there. It is just a pull tab on the top. Just pull that down and away we go with the cellophane. So once you actually, stop being a bit of a numpty and are able to get into the box, first thing you can tell is just the weight. But here we go. What do these look like in real life? So as you can see, these are very white. The first thing you notice is just how white they are, but the weight of them as well. So obviously we have this exciting little bra kind of carry case, and the top is this lovely mesh feeling, which I'll be honest, we'll go into a bit more detail a little bit later in the video. Other things that we get included, well, we get the blurb, AirPods Max, pretty much it. I don't think anyone's really going to read that. It's kind of warranty information. And we also get our USB-C to Lightning port cable. So there's no 3.5mm jack to 3.5mm jack, or no adapters in this pair of headphones. They are really aimed towards the Bluetooth element of, well, the ecosystem in general. But we're bored of the box now. Let's get into the actual device itself, and these feel totally premium. So let's get them out of this funny little case and what they are like to feel. What's quite good is Apple have protected these in travel and got these little paper cups holding over the earmuffs, and we'll just obviously get rid of them as well to obviously expose the 40mm drivers. But what's really cool is the fact that the H1 chips, the two H1 chips, have already pulled information to my close by iPhone to tell me to update the software to 14.3, where we obviously get the driver information for the new AirPods. These are more of an aluminium finish and look to the AirPods as well. A lot of them, I really do like the grey. I think if I was to pick again, I would probably go for the grey ones. They do look really cool. You've got the left and right information on the ear cups, and this really different way of sliding the headband to get to the right position. You've then got this mesh plastic feel to the top as well, but they are really comfortable. On top, we've also got the digital crown. This is to play pause and obviously to change the volume, which is really, really handy. You get a little clicking noise as well. We've also got that really contested lightning port at the bottom, and little holes around are actually the microphones. I believe there are 9 microphones on the AirPods Pro. With the case, well, I'm being honest, the less said about the case, the better. It has this really cool feel. To be honest, it's a really nice feel. I just don't think it's very practical. So it's a felt inlay, very similar to what we see on the iPad folio cases, and it's very similar kind of material on the outside. It's almost like a leatherette kind of pleather feel to it. Now obviously in white, around the house this is going to be absolutely fine, but I do feel like the moment I put this into a bag, or it comes with about an inch of a pen, it is going to get slightly tarred, so I'm going to be very careful with this. As I say, the felt on the inside is lovely. It's really high quality premium feel, and the magnet is pretty cool as well. But as I say, the less spoke about the magnets, the better. Overall, the weight and the feel of these, they do feel like a £550 device. They feel very, very premium. Is £550 really worth it? I'm not sure, but we'll go over that in the full review. So now we have our phone updated, I can actually tell you what these sound like. So I've been listening to these, comparing to some other headphones that I have, and overall, what were we all expecting? These do sound bloody brilliant. They are a fantastic pair of Bluetooth headphones. Now, I've been testing this out on Tidal to try and get the best quality music. Obviously, my taste in music might not be the best, but they do kind of give a really good variety of sound. They're really clear, very sharp, and I would say compared to things like Sony's, which are a bit more bass heavy, very much like everybody has said on the videos, they're a lot clearer. The bass isn't too heavy, and I do think for a Bluetooth pair of headphones, Apple have done basically a pair of HomePods for your ears. But what do you think? What do you think of the look of them? Do you think they're a bit too kind of futuristic, very different to headphones? I quite like them. I do think they're very different. Doing some video calls, it does look like you're wearing a pair of earmuffs, which is kind of adapts for the fact that it is winter and they do keep your ears warm. But I have tried to listen to a variety of different music and then compared them also to different styles of headphones. So these Sonys I've had probably for about 3 years. They've been a really good utilitarian tool for me to use as a wireless pair of headphones. They're good for noise cancellation, which I've used at airplanes. Actually remember what airplanes are. And when I compared the two, you can definitely tell the difference, which I'm happy with, because the Sonys are about £80-90 now. They were £100 at the time, and these are £550. I'm glad there's a difference. But something that really shocked me is I have a really good pair of kind of studio referencing kind of gaming headphones from Coolmaster. They're really, really good, highly regarded. And when I use these with my wire, well, the difference was very, very close. So I actually had to really compare these two. And this is a first impressions and not an overall review, which will be coming kind of probably after Christmas. But it was very close. And these Coolmasters are about less than £100. Obviously, we don't have cool features like noise cancellation, Bluetooth, or anything like that. But when it comes to the quality, well, it's going to be interesting to see what that's like. But what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. What questions do you have for a full review? What are your thoughts just in general with these as a product? Or are you more interested in things like the Sony's XM4s or the Bose 700s? What do you think works best for you? Now, we are going into Christmas. It would be an amazing Christmas present to get to 2,000 subscribers before the end of this year. So if you can subscribe to the videos and let me know what you think below, it'd be really appreciated. I'm going to be using these over the next couple of weeks and bringing you a full in-depth review, and I really hope that it comes in as handy. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the full review very, very soon. Bye for now.